everyone, so today we're at AW Aromatics. So I'm with Sandra, our in-house designer, and we're going to show you a bit about how the soaps are made.
I'm coming here every week to work on the new products with AW Aromatics.
So follow us.
So my name's Audrey. I've been working here making soap for about 3 years now, and I absolutely love it. Big career change for me. I used to work in an office on the phones, so this is brilliant. It's absolutely wonderful. So many colours.
Thank you, Audrey. Let's get started.
First, Audrey is going to show you how she makes the Slice of Sunshine soap loaf. First, we start off with the fragrance oil, the orange scent of the soap. Next goes in the white titanium, which allows for the solid colour of the soap. Then we move to the dye. This is the orange dye for that orange base that comes with this soap loaf. So Audrey now has got the soap. This is the Crystal SLES free soap. And alcohol is sprayed slightly on top to stop any bubbles running through the soap. This is then nicely whisked together to help the ingredients combine. Once nicely mixed together, Audrey moves to the mould to allow the soap to set, and it's beautifully decorated with orange slices on top. Next, Audrey is moving on to the Crystal Elemental soaps. Here she is showing us how to make the air element. So she goes in to add white titanium, which allows for the white colour throughout the soap. This fragrance oil is with notes of coconut, raspberry and pear. So this is added in, keeping an eye on the measurements and of course the sparkles. The soap is the same here, so we've got the SLES free soap. Add in the right measurement here with the alcohol, which stops the bubbles running through the product. Audrey whisks it together to combine all the ingredients. So as you can see, this makes the nice white colour. Next, we move on to activated charcoal. This allows for that black colour running through the air product. The same fragrance oil is then added to the liquid. And some soap. So Audrey starts to form a paste here. She said that the activated charcoal needs a good mix, so she adds the soap and mixes and then adds more soap. And of course, the sparkles are added. So by doing it this way, it makes sure that all the elements of this soap are nicely whisked together. The two colours are then added to separate measuring jugs, ready for pouring into their moulds. Audrey readies the crystal moulds and starts to pour the activated charcoal, and on top the white titanium colour. You can see this forming beautiful patterns throughout the moulds. Once poured, the gemstones are popped in. Audrey then starts to prepare for one of her favourite soaps, Amethyst Creed Soap Loaf. First, starting with the fragrance oil, this is a luxury fragrance with notes that are rich, smooth and slightly woody. The white titanium allows for that solid colour running through the product. And then Audrey goes in with a blue dye. So this is the blue that runs through the product, that swells through that purple colour. Then Audrey goes to the other soap base, which is the suspended soap. This allows for the colours to not mix. So here you can see the beautiful blue that comes through with this product. Here Audrey goes to the second colour, adding the fragrance oil. Moving to the purple dye this time. White titanium is not added because we want a clearer soap colour for the purple. More soap is then collected from the machine. This is the suspended soap. And you'll start to see the purple colour coming through. As you can see, it's slightly clearer because it's without that white titanium. And again, added to separate measuring jugs ready for the pouring process, which is so satisfying. Audrey said this is her favourite part of her job. Watching those colours mix through, watching the patterns being made. As we allowed those soaps to set and thanked Audrey for being our star, we saw Lucas on the final steps of making the guest-shaped soaps. So this is the heart soaps in coconut. Lucas has worked at AW Aromatics for 2 years. Here he is cutting the soap ready for them to be packed. And they're packed in packs of 100 as they are sold. They are made with love and made sure to pack to preserve their impeccable condition. The heart adds an elegant and romantic touch. So they're packed with the labels. Here you can see Lucas doing those steps. This is the coconut heart-shaped guest soap. And now they are ready to be sent. Thanks, Lucas. Thank you for watching the behind the scenes of AW Aromatics. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more. See you soon!